Note investing due diligence. I'm Dave Putz from JKP Holdings, and note investing due diligence is often one of the most asked questions regarding note investing by newer investors. Our common response is, which part of due diligence are you referring to? Before you make the offer or after? After you make the offer, doesn't start the due diligence for the second phase. It's actually when you make the offer to the seller. You should be asking the seller for multiple items if your bid is accepted, so they can prepare and collect everything you need to be successfully complete the deal if they accept your offer. We've learned over the years, the mistakes we've made, that we need certain items to complete our due diligence. We've made the mistake of not adding certain things on, not checking something that the seller may have already in their possession, and making sure we get all the information about the asset. For example, if we want to go look at something, we make sure that the seller provided a value. Well, send us over the BPO that they have to validate their value. We have 13 items that we ask every seller. And you can go to our website to check out these items and see what 13 items you may or may not be asking for. Some are applicable, some aren't for every deal. We also have online note education. We have a whole directory of resources such as servicers and attorneys. We have available assets and tons of tools to help you become a better, more successful note investor.